Welcome to ecopenny. Who isn't a fan of physical media? If you aren't, you should be. It's nice to own your videos and music. If you stream, what you purchase or what you're paying for each month can disappear just like that, be taken off streaming, and you're not really owning your media, you're just renting it. I prefer to own my media, so once you've paid for it, someone can't take it away and make it disappear. There's no subscriptions on these, you just put the disc in and play. So much better. But I need something to store this media instead of having it just in a cupboard or locked away. How can I store it? So it's not sponsored. I've gone to IKEA. I don't know if it's Gnedby or just Nedby. I've got these great IKEA cabinets. They're about $60 Australian each. They're very thin and very tall, so they don't take up much space. You can put them next to each other. You can attach them to a Billy IKEA bookcase and other things too, do your own combination. So I've chosen to buy 4 of these. I'm going to assemble them and show you what it looks like. So I've got my rough positioning with the DVD shelves. I've got to link them together with these little U-bolts. I've also got to anchor them to the top of the wall because they're a bit top heavy there's a risk of them falling forwards. So it comes with this anchor, so you've got to anchor the top of the cabinet to the wall for safety. So going into this fibro stuff, so you've got to use a toggle hook like that. It opens up behind the wall to give you a more secure fastening. Otherwise, if you don't use it, it's like plaster. The screw will just pop straight out. So I'm just going to link these together with these little included U-bolt things. So they just slot into the holes here just to tie them together a bit. And then they're going to be anchored to the wall here. So I don't know if you can see it. I've got the spirit level, it's level, cupboard's vertical. Got the first anchor in, so the top's anchored to the wall for safety. Because once it gets lots of DVDs in it, there's a risk of it pulling forwards. Okay, we've got our 3 anchors in. Got one more set of shelves to do in the other side of the room, so we can start sorting DVDs and Blu-rays. Okay, so that's number 4 secure. So I hope you found that interesting and enjoyable. I thoroughly recommend those IKEA media cabinets. You can put DVDs, Blu-rays, CDs in them, adjust the shelves to what suits you the best. I think it's a great value. Only available in white, but that sort of matches most people's decor and furniture. And don't forget to put that bolt in at the top to secure them to a wall so they don't fall forwards. What's your favourite movie? I don't really have one favourite movie. I love Spirited Away, Japanese anime, but put your favourite movie in the comments. If you have a favourite movie, I love the Dark Crystal, the latest Tom Cruise Mission Impossible Part 2. Oh, love this too, great blockbuster. But yeah, I'm a fan of quite a few movies. I like collecting them. But thanks for watching. Catch you later.